Hello, good morning students. How are you all? So this is your notes video of natural and man-made disaster. So the first question is, what are cyclones? So cyclones are areas of low pressure around which winds swirl and blow very high speed. We know very well in northern hemisphere this is your earth, and in the this is your northern hemisphere, the wind blow clockwise like this, and in the southern hemisphere the winds blow anti-clockwise. Now what are they caused? So the cause of cyclones are high relative humidity of the atmosphere leads to the formation of clouds. It releases heat energy, thereby inducing a drop in pressure, and warm sea temperature in excess of 26 degrees Celsius up to a depth of 60 meters. Provides abundant water vapors in the air by evaporation. Now, steps taken by administration after cyclone. What are the steps taken by administration after cyclone? So the Indian Meteorological Department is responsible for the tracking, forecasting and warning about the cyclone. The government agencies along with UN and several non-government agencies play an important role in their relief and rehabilitation after the cyclones. Take care not to rush on unbroken path during an evacuation. Use the official route, and before using electrical appliances make sure they are dry and do not enter the flood waters. Now what changes would you make to your house? So if you lived in a flood prone area, if consider raising the basic level of your house so that you reside in an area higher above the ground and above reach of perennial flood water. You can move your house to a higher part of your block to avoid inundation. Use water resistant building material whenever fitting, and check your local building codes to find out whether they will permit you to maintain water tanks underground to prevent flotation, and reinforce garbage walls with benches to prevent buckling, and install electrical meter box and power point well done the ground level. If you lived in an earthquake prone area, so evaluate element outside the home that are potential hazard like old trees and electrical wire. Make any necessary repair of home. Look at wall and your cleanliness also, and check your utility and turn off any damaged utility. Adding anchor belts on steel plates between your home wall and its foundation, and bracing the inside of your home's cripple wall, the short wood shed wall between the top of the foundation wall and the first floor with sheeting. Now you can write it on your notebook and learn all the question and answers. Thank you so much.